What benefits does the mixture of castor oil and baking soda offer us? How can we use this mixture? In what situations should we avoid using it? To find answers to all these questions and more, make sure to watch the video until the end. Castor oil and baking soda have been used by people for centuries to treat certain health issues. In today's video, we will first look at the health benefits of castor oil and baking soda, then explore the unique benefits that this mixture provides us. Lastly, we'll talk about the situations where this mixture should not be used. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started. What are the properties of the castor oil and baking soda mixture? To better understand the properties of this mixture, we first need to look at the properties of castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil, anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil can reduce inflammation, easing the inflammation caused by arthritis and other chronic joint conditions. When applied through massage, castor oil helps relieve joint pain and discomfort by increasing blood circulation and relaxing muscles and tissues. A 2020 study titled Efficacy of Castor Oil in Managing Osteoarthritis, Pain and Inflammation showed that castor oil may be effective in managing joint inflammation and pain, with potential as an aid in arthritis treatment. Improves skin health. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology highlighted the skin benefits of castor oil. Clinical tests showed that the oil, rich in ricinoleic acid and vitamin E, helps maintain skin moisture and reduces signs of aging. Castor oil also increases skin elasticity and diminishes the appearance of aging signs. Promotes wound healing and skin regeneration. Castor oil supports skin regeneration by speeding up wound healing and reducing the risk of infection. Thanks to its nutrients, it promotes the renewal of skin cells and improves moisture balance in dry, cracked areas. A 2018 study titled The Efficacy of Castor Oil on Wound Healing and Skin Regeneration, a systematic review, demonstrated that castor oil is effective in wound healing and skin regeneration, with ricinoleic acid playing a significant role in the process. Supports hair and nail health. Castor oil strengthens hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth, reduces hair loss by improving blood circulation in the scalp, and maintains the hair's natural shine. It also strengthens nails, prevents breakage, and nourishes the cuticles, making them more resilient. A 2021 study titled Effects of Castor Oil on Hair Growth and Nail Strigs, an investigative study, revealed castor oil's role in promoting hair growth and improving nail health. Antimicrobial properties. Due to its antimicrobial properties, castor oil can control bacterial and fungal infections. The ricinoleic acid in it kills microbes or inhibits their growth, making it a natural disinfectant. A 2020 study titled Antimicrobial Properties of Castor Oil and Its Active Compounds, a review, demonstrated that castor oil and ricinoleic acid are effective against microorganisms like Staphylococcus aureus and Candida albicans, making them potential alternatives for skin infections and microbiological problems. It's always important to consult your doctor before starting any supplements. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a substance used in various fields and provides numerous benefits for both health and daily life. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, baking soda neutralizes stomach acid and treats digestive issues like heartburn and indigestion. It also balances the pH in the body by neutralizing harmful acids like lactic acid. In a study published in Cancer Research in 2009, baking soda was shown to help regulate the acidic environment around tumors, potentially reducing the metastasis of cancer cells. The study emphasized that baking soda can reduce the effects of acidosis and enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Baking soda can be used as a natural cleaner for oral health. Adding a small amount of baking soda to toothpaste or using a toothpaste containing baking soda can reduce plaque formation and help whiten teeth. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry in 2008 found that toothpaste containing sodium bicarbonate was effective in reducing plaque formation and improving gum health, showing significant effectiveness compared to non-baking soda toothpaste. Additionally, you can gargle with baking soda water to eliminate bad breath. Its mildly alkaline nature creates an environment unsuitable for bacteria to thrive, preventing bacterial growth on the skin, mouth, and surfaces. Baking soda helps remove dead skin cells and maintain the skin's pH balance. Its antiseptic properties prevent the formation of acne-causing bacteria and reduce the occurrence of acne by balancing the skin's oil production. The benefits of the castor oil and baking soda mixture. 1. Brightens the skin. While castor oil nourishes the skin, baking soda exfoliates dead skin cells, brightening the skin tone. 2. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Baking soda's antibacterial and antifungal properties, combined with the nourishing effects of castor oil, effectively cleanse the skin of microbes. 3. Pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties are supported by baking soda's ability to ease pain and discomfort. 4. Relieves stomach pain and indigestion. Castor oil relieves stomach pain, while baking soda balances stomach acid, providing relief. 5. Cleans blackheads. Baking soda exfoliates blackheads, while castor oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin. 6. Rejuvenates the skin and improves elasticity. Castor oil boosts skin elasticity, while baking soda exfoliates dead cells for a younger appearance. 7. Reduces allergic reactions and sensitivity. Castor oil's soothing properties alleviate allergic reactions, while baking soda's neutral pH reduces sensitivity. 8. Relieves joint stiffness and improves movement. Castor oil reduces joint inflammation, and baking soda's exfoliating effect helps reduce stiffness. 9. Restores nails affected by fungus. Baking soda's antifungal properties target fungal infections, while castor oil nourishes and strengthens nails. 10. Eases itchiness from insect bites. Baking soda reduces itching, and castor oil soothes irritation. 11. Removes warts and papillomas. Baking soda targets warts and papillomas, while castor oil aids skin healing. 12. Reduces excess oil in oily skin. Baking soda's oil-absorbing properties help castor oil cleanse excess oil without damaging the skin. How to use castor oil and baking soda mixture. To avoid allergic reactions and health issues, make sure to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. 1. To reduce stretch marks and scars, gently massage the mixture of castor oil and baking soda onto stretch marks and scars. Regular application can help reduce the appearance of scars as castor oil nourishes the skin and baking soda provides a mild exfoliating effect. 2. For joint and muscle pain. Make a paste by mixing castor oil and baking soda with a small amount of water and massage it into the sore joint or muscle areas. Castor oil helps to relieve pain, while baking soda's anti-inflammatory effect supports joint relief. 3. For fungal infections. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a paste and apply it to the infected area. Rinse the area thoroughly afterward. Castor oil provides moisturizing and healing effects when applied to the area. While baking soda targets the fungus with its antifungal properties, castor oil nourishes your skin. Situations where the mixture should not be used. The castor oil and baking soda mixture should be avoided in certain situations. Particularly with sensitive and fragile skin, this mixture can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. Using baking soda around the very sensitive eye area can lead to dryness and discomfort, so it should be avoided in these areas. Additionally, on open wounds, cuts, or active infection sites, baking soda in the mixture might negatively affect the healing process and increase the risk of infection. The pH-altering effects of baking soda may cause skin issues in some skin types. Furthermore, some body types may show allergic reactions. To avoid these issues, Don't neglect to consult your doctor. We've reached the end of our video. If you watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You can also share the video with your loved ones to keep them informed. See you in another video. Have a great day.